slightly. At first I thought it was my water boiling, but I realized I looked over and I see a few drops. Just a little cloud passing by. Oh, it's so beautiful. The first thing I heard this morning were these birds. Like loud birds. Like chirping though. They weren't squawking. They were pretty. Just a little bit snow left. I just found out yesterday Leadville is the tallest city in Colorado. That explains why Roxy is panting when she's running and I'm tired. It's starting all over again. No, it's not as bad as when we initially came to Colorado. We'll adjust in a few days, so I'm not concerned. I mean, look at these views and this weather. Trust me, we'll adjust. I can't wait to see the flowers. I guess there's a field of flowers down there and some wild roses. So maybe we'll make it down there today. Okay, coffee time. What a beautiful morning. After the rain, everything just smells so good. Birds are singing. The sun is starting to come out. Little bit of snow left. Ooh, I can feel the elevation. I just took Roxy for a walk and I was just like, oh, I gotta take a picture of this. This is absolutely gorgeous. You hear the river? And the circus is still here. My fridge won't start. Is it a coincidence that every time I get a new fridge, my old one stops working? So I defrosted it. Let's see. Hear the click. Check light's gonna go on because that igniter needs to be cleaned out again. At least I know what it is. So I can do that later today. Thank goodness I have my backup fridge. So I put my milk and anything that has mayonnaise in there. See? Chickadee chick. Alright. Let's try it with just propane. I thought it was just because it needed defrosting, but it's the igniter. The other thing is, I know I can turn on my generator and start it. So there's enough power there. And I know I have enough battery power, see. So that's not it. Let's go fix it. I've done this before where, okay, you take that screw off, and that screw off right there, and take this cover off. Let's set it aside. Okay, so now I want to take this screw off. Does anybody else have to say lefty-loosey all the time to unscrew things? All right, take that one out. And then just kind of wiggle this out. It kind of goes under the slip. There we go. Set that aside. All right, now that screw needs to go out because that's the igniter there. So I want to get that igniter out. So I did turn off the main switch. I'm trying to do this one-handed, left-handed. Look at this. See, that's the igniter and it's all, I'll show you. I was just looking inside there to see if there's anything blocking it. Okay, now I'm screwing it back in. That does take some maneuvering to get that back in there. Gotta push it in there and then line up that little hole. Okay, let me get the screw. Last thing you needed to see me do was fumbling with some screws, but I've got that back on, the cover. Got it screwed on. Now let's test it out. Put the main power back on. Let's try it. We'll do propane. Since it's early morning and the batteries are kind of low. Oh, no clicking. Yes. Success. No clicking. It's working. I'm an RV tech. Okay, it's gone over 40. I don't like it when it goes over 40, but it's gonna take time for it to cool. And guess what? It just started raining as it came in. Whew. Perfect timing. The circus animals are out. The circus is playing really good music. Hope I don't get copy striked. We were outside and the storm started coming in really fast, so circus all went inside. They were like under the tent. And I got Roxy's stuff inside. We'll put the chairs down. Coming in.